Imagine a smartphone so powerful, it makes the iPhone look outdated. A phone with a 200 megapixel Sony camera, and a processor faster than anything we've seen before. Well, stop imagining, because Samsung is about to make it real with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tech fans, buckle up. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about Samsung's next flagship killer, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. From its insane specs to its jaw-dropping price, we've got all the leaked details right here. So let's dive in. Features of Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. The display. First up, the screen. Samsung is going all out with a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, packing a 3440 x 1800 resolution, and a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. That means gaming and scrolling will feel like a dream. And with 4500 nits of peak brightness, you'll see every detail even under direct sunlight. Plus, it's got an ultra-fast under-display fingerprint scanner, and an IP69 rating, making it dust-proof, waterproof, and practically indestructible. The camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera setup, because Samsung is taking smartphone photography to a whole new level. The S26 Ultra will feature a 5-lens rear system, headlined by a 200 megapixel main sensor. But that's not all. It'll also pack advanced zoom lenses, ultra-wide sensors, and a 60 megapixel front camera, for selfies so sharp, they'll put your mirror to shame. Performance. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra is an absolute beast. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, making it the fastest Android phone ever created. And with Android 16 out of the box, you're getting the smoothest software experience possible. Samsung is also promising 5 years of major updates, meaning this phone will stay cutting edge for years to come. Battery life. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The S26 Ultra packs a huge 6500 mAh battery, which means you can go all day. And when you do need power, 120-watt fast charging will juice you up in minutes. There's also 45-watt wireless charging, and 25-watt reverse wireless charging. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will this monster cost? Well, leaks suggest the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will start at around $1,500. And as for the launch date, Samsung is expected to unveil the S26 Ultra in mid-2026.